In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize and find photos fast with Lightroom Classic keywords. By the end, you'll know exactly how to tag your images, build a clean keyword structure, and locate any photo in seconds. Start in the library module where keywording happens. Look for the keywording panel on the right. To jump straight into it, press Ctrl or Command plus K. In the keyword field, type a word that describes your photo and press Enter or Return to apply it. If you want to add several at once, separate them with commas, then hit Enter. Keep your terms clear and consistent. Think sunset, portrait, or wedding, so your future searches are fast and accurate. For larger libraries, organization is everything. Move down to the keyword list panel to build a hierarchy. This is where you create parent and child keywords to keep related tags together. For example, you might have a top-level people keyword with nested entries like imolihe, and then individual names beneath that, or locations with countries, states, and cities underneath. A good hierarchy prevents duplicates, keeps your list manageable, and makes bulk tagging more intuitive as your catalog grows. Lightroom also helps you work faster with suggestions and keyword sets. In the keywording panel, you'll see suggestions based on what you've used recently and what Lightroom thinks might fit. Use these to speed up repetitive tagging. Keyword sets give you a small, customizable group of go-to keywords you can apply quickly when you're working on a specific shoot or theme. Rotate sets as your projects change to keep your workflow efficient. When it's time to find images, you have two powerful options. First, use the filter bar at the top of the grid view in the library module. Switch to text or metadata and filter by keyword. Type the term or choose it from the dropdown, and Lightroom instantly narrows your results. Second, head to the keyword list and click on any keyword to view all images tagged with it. This is an immediate, one-click way to drill down without typing. If you need to broaden or refine your results, combine keywords or clear the filter to return to your full catalog. By applying keywords as you import or review, organizing them into a logical hierarchy, and leveraging suggestions and sets, you'll manage even massive photo collections with ease. And with the filter bar and keyword clicks, finding the right photo becomes a matter of seconds, not minutes.